Hi, I'm Mondule, an account manager and the Everbridge lead here at Prosperon Networks. I'm very excited to invite you to our next webinar, How to Automate IT Incident Response with ServiceNow and Everbridge. In this technical webinar, we will be looking at how to use ServiceNow as a single pane of glass to resolve IT incidents faster with the help of the Everbridge Automated IT Response Platform. Together, we will look at how to respond to alerts faster with smart routing, how to automatically identify the right personnel to deal with specific alerts, and notify them through best communicate channels. You will learn how to ensure IT teams are able to quickly respond to alerts and are held accountable wherever they might be, and how to automatically escalate alerts when needed. Finally, we will explore how Everbridge simplifies IT team collaboration, how the one-click to join smart conferencing integrated directly into alert notifications allows resolvers to communicate more efficiently to resolve issues faster. This webinar will be led by Mike Beckett, an enterprise sales engineer at Everbridge. He will be taking us through a hands-on demo, showing us how Everbridge integrates with ServiceNow, the key features and benefits, and will answer all your questions.